family and friends. So today I'm going to share with you guys a healthy juice good for weight loss and to maintain a good health. So kindly watch to the end, you will not regret this. So the first juice is pineapple, cucumber, ginger and lemon. You wash thoroughly, wash every fruit very well for the juice, and you keep aside. You wash your ginger thoroughly because I want to remove the outer part of it. So you see the way I'm washing it. Wash everything thoroughly to be good. And everyone knows the benefit of cucumber. Apart from it helps for weight loss, it's high nutrient. Cucumber are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. So, and as well as pineapple and ginger and lemon, all these have their health benefits and much. Pineapple is loaded with nutrients, contains disease-fighting antioxidants. It helps in digestion. It reduces your risk of cancer. Oh, these pineapple benefits are much. So all these fruit benefits are very good in the body. Is it lemon that supports heart health, help controls weight, it prevents kidney stones. All these fruits, their benefits are much. So you can see the way I sliced my, you can slice your own pineapple any shape you like. And I don't want to grind this my ginger with the back and peel it off. Oh guys, the juice outcome will be so good. I can't wait. I have sliced my cucumber already and I'm juicing out my lemon. I love this kind of seed because the seed body seed. The seed will not enter inside. So here we are guys, putting the cucumber in the blender and other ones. You can add small water if you want, or if you want it sweeter, you can leave it, don't add water. Add your ginger, add your cucumber. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I love you guys. I know you will love this juice because it's very good. Grind your tea, grind smoothie. Oh, can't wait. Particles moving around. So on this one I save it out. It depends. If you don't want to save it out, it's good. If you save it out, it's good. So on my own I save it out. All the little particles that my reader can't blend, I save it out. So those that is baking can use the little remaining particles to bake. For me, I'm trashing my then you remove the foam. I don't like the foam on top, and the juice I have to remove it. The juice is ready. All these ingredients you can find it easily on any supermarkets or markets, or all these are bouquets that are selling ingredients. It's easy to find all these ingredients I'm using. So this one is not the one you're looking around. You said you did not find it. Whoa, so yummy. I test it and I add ice block on the cup juice. Oh. So the next one is watermelon, lemon, ginger juice. Slice this to different shapes so you'll be able to cut it out and remove the back. Don't mind this, that's it. We all know the benefit of watermelon. It helps you to stay hydrated, packed with nutrients and benefit plant compounds. It also helps to improve heart health, and it's good for our skin. So all these fruits are packed with a good nutrients. And the ginger contains has a powerful medicinal properties. It also helps in weight loss, and here we're promoting weight loss tips. So all these ingredients are good for weight loss and so many other benefits. So you keep aside. I have to cut my lemon and juice out the juice as well, the same process I did with the first one. You juice it out, you separate the water part. So the next one is orange. I use 2 orange. It depends the family size you're choosing for. So if you're much, you can add more orange. This particular juice, you don't need to add water at all because watermelon is there already. Everything is water. You press orange, and orange has a health benefit. Protect yourself from damage. A lot of health benefits, even it helps in weight loss as well. So you juice it out. If this can't work for you, you peel it, remove the back and add, because I will still save the little particles that will remain out. So it depends how you want to do it. So you add on your blender the watermelon, ginger, the water, the lemon and the orange. I add my own small block size to be shelled after grinding. Whoa, see the color alone. Oh wait. So all these ingredients is not that much, and you can find it in a supermarket. As I said, I will state out the ingredients on the description box. Check it out. If you did not understand the list here, check the description us out. And this particular one is so easy to sieve out. So you guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and wait for more videos, cause I will be giving you more videos of this juice, healthy juice. So you can enjoy your juice so easy and it doesn't waste time at all to prepare this. So I don't know why you will not give your family a healthy juice. Hit the subscribe button.